Hello and welcome to another video of Travel Talks with Neha on Go Solo Travel, also called as GST. Now this particular video is going to be a little bit different as compared to my other Travel Talks video, because in this video I am going to be showing you bits and pieces. Hi. Because on this video I am going to be showing you the Gdansk Christmas market, and at the same time we'll be speaking about the top 5 Christmas markets of Poland and giving you some facts about why the Christmas market tradition started in Europe. Before we go further, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button so we will be staying connected, and also watch the video till the end so you'll be able to see this beautiful Christmas market of Gdansk and know a little bit more about the Christmas markets in general. Alright, so before starting, let us first find out how did the Christmas market started. Like, do you know about it? Why this Christmas market tradition started across Europe, and then actually not just across Europe but across the overall world. Alright, so maybe I'll give you some little bit of information. So it started from the Middle Ages actually, and it's been believed that Vienna's winter market dated back 1296 was the first one of its kind. So the Emperor Albrecht I granted the shopkeepers to have a 2 or 3 days of winter market set up wherein they could sell some of the stuff. So the aim basically was that the people could buy things in advance for the harsh winters coming. And since then the winter market bloomed across Europe. Now in 16th century it got a great boost because the teachings of the German Protestant reformer Martin Luther suggested that the gifts should be actually being given on the day Christ was born rather than the day of any other saint's day. So what happened was the churches actually encouraged people to be giving gifts the day when the Christ was born, and these shops, which were the winter shops or the winter market, started to get lots of Christmas presents and Christmas decorations, and hence the Christmas market across Europe started. Now fast forward today, you will see most of the countries across Europe and across the world have the Christmas market set up, and there's actually a competition going on of which particular Christmas market is going to be best. It also attracts thousands and thousands of tourists every year, but unfortunately this year things are a little different because of COVID-19. Many of the organizers had to cancel their Christmas markets, and some of them had to put a lot of restrictions to the same. Talking about the one I am standing right now, so I am in Gdansk Christmas market, and it's Gdansk's main town. Actually, this is not this empty all the time. It's filled with all the small wooden shops, and there are lots and lots of tourists and people across the world. But unfortunately, because of COVID, you see the shops are not being set up together. So what the government has done this time is they have tried to put the shops in little bit, let's say, distance from one another. So some shops are here, some shops are at the Ulica Długa street, the rest are even further, so that there would be not too much of crowd just around all the shops together. We are going to be going there and we are going to be seeing this complete Christmas market today and speaking about the top 5 Christmas market of Poland. So stay tuned with me and let's see this Christmas market.
It's Christmas time! Be happy and have a wonderful time in our beautiful city, Gdańsk!
So right here I have crossed the Ulica Dhuga, which is the long street, and currently I am standing in the Dhugi Targ, which is the market street. Now here, every time in the summer especially, you will see both the side lots and lots of market for the tourists. Currently, because of the Christmas market being scattered a bit, you see here some of the shops. So one is right there behind me, the wooden shop, and the other on this side, which I may show you in a moment. So you also see this beautiful Christmas tree, the huge one which has been set up here, and this is actually the place every year this Christmas tree is being set up.
Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. Now, without any order, I'm going to be telling you about the top 5 Christmas market of Poland, and whichever market I'll be speaking about, one thing which is in common in the Christmas market of Poland is that you are going to have great food, great hot beer or mulled wine, hot chocolates, and all the traditional dishes which is actually like really famous in Poland. So you're gonna have pierogis, you're gonna have soups, you're gonna have lots of vegetarian, non-vegetarian dishes, plus lots of desserts which you will see in the market. Apart from the Christmas decorations, the wooden artworks, the handmade jewelry, and many things. So the Christmas markets have so much to offer in Poland and all the Christmas markets across Europe and obviously across the world. So the first Christmas market which comes in my mind, without any order as I said, is the Krakow Christmas market. Now Krakow itself is a city which has been most visited in Poland. It's loved by tourists, and the Christmas market in Krakow is being set up in Rynek. It's been set up actually in the center of Krakow, which is called as Rynek Główny. Now it's one of the largest and one of the oldest Christmas market of Poland, and it's been visited by many thousands and thousands of tourists every single year. I am not calculating 2020 here. Also, the view around the Christmas market is incredibly beautiful because you have the cloth hall on the Rynek square or the Rynek center, and you also have the historical Saint Mary's Basilica which is there. So this gives a very rich look to the Christmas market of Krakow. Also because it is on the one of the largest square of Europe. So for sure must, if you ever come to Poland, you'd have to visit the Krakow Christmas market because it is one of the best Christmas markets of Poland. The second Christmas market which comes in my mind is the Wrocław Christmas market. Now Wrocław Christmas market has also been set up in the old square, in the market square of the old town, and the theme of this particular Christmas market is fairy tale theme. So every decoration is very magical, and thanks to the overall historical ambience of this place, every decoration is just adding to the magical everything is actually just adding to this magical decoration. So this whole view, the historical view, and everything which has been decorated is very fairy type, it's like a fairy tale Christmas decorations there. If you are ever in Wrocław, make sure that you taste the beers there, because there's a beer tasting thing which goes on. And also this particular in Wrocław, you also have Polish singers which are actually singing, and there's some small concerts which happens every year apart from 2020. So it's another market which is worth visiting in Poland, which is Wrocław Christmas market. The third Christmas market which comes in my mind is the Poznan Christmas market. Now Poznan in the early December has the ice sculptures which takes place, meaning there's a competition which happens in the early week of this, in the first week of December, where all the artists across the world come and make their ice sculptures to win the first prize. So if you're ever there in Poznan in the first week of December, the first thing you could see is these ice sculptures and then the Christmas market. Now Poznan is known for their unique Christmas decorations. All the cafes, the shops, the markets, everything is being decorated at the main center square in a very unique and distinctive manner, and that's the main attraction there. The Christmas market distinctiveness is something which is really attracting the tourist in Poznan Christmas market. Alright, the fourth one which is in my mind is the Warsaw Christmas market. Now Warsaw is one of the biggest city of Poland, while also being the capital of Poland. The Christmas market here kick-starts with the Christmas lightings which happen in the old town in front of the royal castle, which is huge. Many tourists, thousands and thousands of tourists come here to see this Christmas lightning, and the whole royal castle and the area nearby is being decorated in it's such a beautiful manner that it is just so rich and so beautiful to watch. So that's another very, very beautiful market to be. And there are also some small markets in Warsaw because it's such a huge city, so you also see some small markets across in the Warsaw in Warsaw city. So I already spoke about 4 Christmas market. The last and not the least one is the Gdansk Christmas market, basically the market where I am currently in. Now this Christmas market is another beautiful market. The first and foremost thing, because of the historical nature. The market has been set up in the main old town or the main town of Gdansk, while in the historical area. So you have right behind me the town hall, and you have Ulica Długa and Ulica Targ, the streets. So this has a huge historical importance, and it makes it even more beautiful when it's been completely decorated. Also the city itself has so much to offer. It has the beach, it has the hills, it has the forest. Everything around here is so beautiful. And you already saw part of the Christmas market which I showed you right before we came here, and I'm going to show you a little bit more when we pass the Golden Gate, and I'll show you a little bit from the river side also. So that's another Christmas market. In total, 5 Christmas markets of Poland are the best one, and you will be really surprised to know that Krakow Christmas market and Gdansk Christmas market has been in the list of the times to watch out, basically to come and visit the Christmas markets of Krakow and Gdansk. Alright, so I guess I told you a lot about the Christmas markets and I showed you around the place. I will go towards the river now to show you the end, and I will show you a little bit more scenic. It's very picturesque at this point of time when it's already getting darker and the river is just filled with all the colors from the lightning across. So yeah, if you are ever here in the Christmas markets of like across anywhere, especially in Poland, the hot wines or the mule wines are really famous, or even hot beer. So it's worth trying, especially because it's super cold, it's winter, so you would be warm enough and you will enjoy this time. So yeah, cheers! So you want me to try the...
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot vodka?
Hot vodka with apple juice. Grzaniec gwiazda, niezła jazda. Grzaniec, gwiazda, niezła jazda.
So you heard. So it's basically vodka with apple juice. It's hot vodka with apple juice.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
Very hot.
Oh, but it's so tasty. Very tasty.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I should come here more often.
Okay.
It's a beautiful place. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
this
much.
and for this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dziękuję bardzo.
You're welcome.
another point where you could come for the enjoyment. And right beside me where I was, I don't know how to call it, but you have a similar one in Paris near the Eiffel Tower, and I just took a ride of this. It was pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I hope that you liked watching the Gdansk Christmas market with me, and also I hope that you liked to know more about the Polish Christmas markets which I mentioned. I will be finishing this video here, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel Go Solo Travel so we are connected all the time. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and an advance Happy New Year. Also enjoy your holidays, take some rest, and we will see each other on next Tuesday's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.